Strangers to the night. A place of unnerving sounds and imagined terrors. But now, new technology allows us to lift the veil of darkness. All around the planet, the most iconic animals are revealing themselves in a completely new light.
The natural world is full of colors. Colors that attract attention, colors that blend beautifully with their background, and colors that create extraordinary displays. We may marvel at its beauty, but for many animals, it's the key to their existence. In a world that has long been hidden from our eyes. A world of colors that only some animals can see. And what color?